In modern warfare, the term Tosha has taken on a new significance beyond its Swahili roots, where it means enough. It seems Russia has declared enough is enough when facing off against the THeMIS platform, prompting the development of their own countermeasure, the Tosha Unmanned Ground Platform. This robotic warrior, a product of necessity and innovation, is Russia's answer to the evolving battlefield where unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, particularly FPV drones, have become a formidable presence. The Tosha platform is a multifaceted tool in the arsenal of the occupying forces, designed to adapt and overcome the challenges posed by UAVs. Plans are underway to equip Tosha with an automatic turret capable of neutralizing targets from up to 100 meters away. This turret, potentially featuring bundled barrels, is a response to the need for remote firepower that exceeds the capabilities of a human operator, both in terms of recoil and carrying capacity. On the battlefield, Tosha's roles are as varied as they are critical. From logistical support, such as transporting ammunition, to the dire tasks of evacuation, Tosha's versatility shines. Perhaps its most ominous application is its kamikaze drone variant, likened to the FAB-3000 and its ability to carry a ton of explosives, delivering a devastating blow to targets. The development of the Tosha TX-45SM ground robotic platform was spurred by the Estonian THeMIS platform, currently serving with the Ukrainian Defense Forces. With a range that can reach up to 200 kilometers, depending on the battery's power, Tosha represents a significant leap in operational endurance. Its control systems are dual-natured. It can be operated via radio or tethered with a cable, offering flexibility in command and control scenarios. Stealth is another key feature of the Tosha platform. The absence of an internal combustion engine renders it nearly invisible to thermal imaging, a crucial advantage in the art of war. The platform's carrying capacity is impressive, able to transport up to 1 ton of cargo, while the structure itself maintains a relatively light footprint at 350 kilograms. Speed is not sacrificed for stealth or strength, as Tosha can reach velocities of up to 70 kilometers per hour, making it a swift and silent harbinger on the battlefield. As the landscape of conflict continues to evolve, so too does the technology we create to navigate it. The Tosha Unmanned Ground Platform is a testament to this relentless pursuit of adaptation and survival in the face of ever-changing threats. It's a stark reminder that in war, innovation is not just about advancement, it's about necessity. And sometimes, necessity means saying Tosha, enough is enough, and taking the fight to the skies.